Hi everyone. In previous lecture, in this our experiment frequency modulation in trainer kit circuit connection are completed. Okay. Now see here. Apply the input frequency. Okay. In a 1 kilohertz in a proper amplitude. Okay, in this way, and we observe the output waveforms on a CRO. Okay, firstly see here, we observe the carrier wave. Okay, in the carrier wave, when the frequency generated, that means the input signal are off. Okay, then here we adjust these two ports P1 and P2, these two ports which are connected in this our circuit connection in a frequency modulation. Okay, and then observe the output waveforms on a here see on a CRO. This is the carrier wave. Okay, see, this is the carrier wave of a frequency modulation. Okay, when input signals are off, connection is the on, and output here we observe the see in this way. This is the okay, this is the carrier wave. Here in carrier wave we observe the time. Okay, time period is observed in a peak to peak. So here this point to this point, when the on time plus off time, that is the time, that means time, or this time is observed in a waveform is peak to peak. So here this peak to this peak, total are the 1. Okay, 1 square, that means the 1, and multiplier time per division knob is the 2 microsecond. Okay, that means the time is the 1 multiplied 2 microsecond. So here right now the time of the carrier wave is the 1 into 2 microsecond, that means the 2 microsecond. Okay, and in this time we calculate the frequency 1 upon t. So here right now 1 upon t is the 2 into microsecond, that means the 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, and this calculation are completed. So here frequency of carrier wave is calculated is 500. Okay, 500 kilohertz. This is the frequency of carrier wave. Okay, then second, here we measure the modulating frequency. Okay, in modulating frequency we measure the 1 kilohertz. Okay, so here this frequency generator FG is the on. Okay, in a set to the 1 kilohertz frequency. Okay, and we adjust this frequency. Okay, and observe the output on a CRO in a modulating signal. Okay, so here we adjust the frequency in this way. Okay, now see here the port 1 and 2, P1 and P2, as well as the in a frequency generator applied 1 kilohertz frequency and vary this amplitude as well as the frequency knob. We adjust the output is on CRO. We observe the modulated signal. Okay, this modulated signal in our chart here observe the measure the maximum amplitude of the modulated wave. Okay, maximum amplitude of the modulated wave, that means in this output waveforms we observe the amplitude. Okay, that means the height of the given this wave. Okay, so here observe the amplitude is in wave is, see here the 1.2 small lines, that means the here 1.4, and multiplier amplitude knob of the channel Y is, that means the channel first is the 2 volt. So 1.4 into 2 volt, and these observations write on this observation here. Measure the maximum amplitude of modulated wave EM is equal to 1.4 into 2 volt, and calculation here multiplication is 2.8 volt. In this way two observations we observe in our this given experiment is a frequency modulation. पहिल्यांदा आपण कॅरियर वेव्हचं टाईम ऑब्झर्व करतो आहे. कॅरियर वेव्ह ही FG ऑफ केल्यानंतर येते. CROवरती आपण ऑब्झर्व करतो आहे. त्या कॅरियर वेव्हची टाईम ऑब्झर्व करून त्याची फ्रिक्वेन्सी कॅल्क्युलेट करायची. त्याच्यानंतर फ्रिक्वेन्सी जनरेटर स्विच ऑन केल्यानंतर 1 किलोहर्ट्झ ह्या फ्रिक्वेन्सीला आपण वेव्हफॉर्म व्हॅरी दी पॉट ॲडजस्ट करून आउटपुटला काय येणार आहे तर मॉड्युलेटेड सिग्नल येणार आहे. आणि त्या सिग्नलची मॅक्झिमम ॲम्प्लिट्यूड आपण ऑब्झर्व करणार आहे. देन कॅल्क्युलेट द बाय युझिंग फॉर्म्युला. इन फॉर्म्युला हिअर फ्रिक्वेन्सी डेविएशन डेल्टा F इज इक्वल टू EM डिवाइड बाय 2 pi. Em is the maximum amplitude. Okay, in this formula put out the value of the Em is the 2.8 and 2 pi is the 2 multiply pi's value is the 3.80. Okay, so here calculation is here in this way calculated. Delta F is the 0.4458 and this calculation is done by using this scientific calci. Then modulated index mu is equal to delta F upon Fm. Delta F is the calculated here, C, and Fm that means the modulated frequency is the 1 kilohertz. 1 kilohertz that means the 1 into 10 raised to 3. So this calculation is done in scientific calci, and mu that means the modulation index is 4.4 into 10 raised to minus 4. So here calculate the frequency deviation as well as the modulation index of given experiment is the frequency modulation. Okay, in this our experiment's conclusion is this frequency modulation is studied by using the IC 8038. So in this our experiment in trainer kit here used IC is the 8038. Okay, in this way these experiments are successfully done in our laboratory. Okay.